Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I will show you an interesting chart called as the star rating chart. I have taken 10 sample movies here and have given some sample ratings here. So based on the ratings, we should be able to see stars coming up here using a conditional formatting and some simple formulas. So let us see how does this work. See here, we have 1 to 5 ratings, and based on the rating, we need to arrive at the numbers here, as well as say for example here, 1 should have 1, 2 should have 2, and it is not yet 3, so it should have 0.5 here, right? So how do we get that? So how do we write a formula? So I will write a formula and then I will explain the parts of the formula. How does this work? So initially is equal to if this 1, so that is D3, I will give D$3 is less than or equal to the rating what we have given, then I'll put it as 1. Otherwise, if round up of the rating comma 0 digits is equal to D3, that is if it is equal to the rating, then I will give a result as mod of the rating comma 1 decimal, otherwise I'll give 0. Okay, see now I got this one. I will explain this formula, don't worry about it. Let me use dollar symbol before C. Okay, then I will drag this formula. Okay, see, can we see this? See, the moment I give 2.5, in the first place I got 1, second place I got 1 again. So because it is not a 3, it is the remaining decimal has come here in this place. So if I give, let's say 4.5, let's say, see, the 0.5 will shift here and everywhere I get 1. Now we will understand how this formula is working. See, this first formula is a straightforward. If D3 is less than or equal to C4, that means if the rating is less than or equal to 1, then it is 1, straightforward. Okay, then if the roundup of a C4, see what will happen in the roundup is, for example, let me show you here, is equal to round up of 4.5 is what? With 0 decimal, it will be 5. Okay, so that's what I'm checking here. If the roundup of the rating is equal to the rating scale here, then we go with mod. So mod function, I will show you how does this mod function work. Say for example is equal to mod, say mod of this particular number comma and the divisor is 1. So if I do this, then it's a 0.5 is what I'm getting. That means wherever the roundup of the rating is matching the rating scale, then I need the remaining decimals and not the complete one number. Okay, that's how the meaning is. Hope you understood this. Now you just have to drag this formula down. Okay, now we will apply a conditional formatting. Select this entire thing. Now we will apply, go to conditional formatting, click on icon sets and give a star rating here. Okay, I will come back and tell you how does this look. Okay, what you need to do is go to conditional formatting again, click on manage rules, double click on this icon set. The very first thing is we need to click on show icon only. Okay, that's the first step. And here what should happen is if this is greater than or equal to, I will give it as a number and I will make it as 1. If it is greater than or equal to 1, then I need the complete star to be appearing here. The second thing is if anything is greater than or equal to 0.5, then I need a half star. If anything is less than 0.5, then I need no star. Okay, so I click on OK, click on apply. See, can you see this now? I copy this and I paste the formats to the rest of the scale. See now how we got it is, so let's say if I give 3.5, I get 3.5 star. If I type 1.5, so it's 1.5 star, and if I give just 0.5, then we get a half star. Okay, and to cosmetically, if you want to change this, so maybe you can make it as a white color so that nobody recognizes this. Okay, so this is how you can make the star rating chart in Excel. Okay, hope you guys like this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. With much more exciting videos, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.